What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, and here we got some info on Binance sending 1.6 trillion Shiba Inu to an unknown wallet within 10 minutes. So let's break this down, connect some dots here, see if there's anything we could be missing, because I'm telling y'all, a lot of things are happening right now under the surface before the similar signs we started seeing, beginning early 2021 before SHIB major breakout took place, and then again in October before that even bigger breakout took place. It looks like we're heading for some of those times, so I do not want y'all to miss out. So a Binance affiliated address has recently transferred a whopping 1.62 trillion Shiba Inu tokens to an unidentified wallet today within 10 minutes. The development comes as SHIB appreciates by 12% in the last 24 hours. So you can see that a lot of these bigger wallets, a lot of these exchanges, they may be in for making a quick profit as well, buying low, selling high on some of those separate wallets they have. Do not think that these exchanges are only willing to make money through trading fees. They're willing to have separate wallets as well to be able to take advantage of the low prices, and then when the price goes back high, they sell it. So the SHIB tokens transferred by Binance were sent in 4 different transactions in the space of 10 minutes, with 3 of these transactions highlighted by whale alert. The first transaction, which occurred today at 1634 UTC, involved the transfer of 499,999,668,400, so 499.9 million SHIB, worth 6.4 million, to an unidentified wallet. The second and fourth transaction involved the exact same amount of SHIB tokens as the first transaction, which has so far raised questions among proponents. However, the third transaction involved 126.1 billion SHIB valued at $1.6 million. All funds were sent to the same unidentified wallet from 2 different Binance affiliated addresses. So the unknown wallet now holds over 1.6 trillion, y'all. 1.6 trillion SHIB tokens worth over $20.9 million. Now let's think about that for a second. We know that the remaining circulating supply is around 400 something trillion, in that range, almost close to 500 trillion. Actually, let's get the exact number real quick. 549 trillion? Let's see what we got right here. Okay, so circulating supply 549 trillion. But for someone to have 1.6 trillion of these tokens when there's only 549 trillion, that's a decent, size. So obviously this is a trade that we want to pay attention to. So Shiba has been registering some massive fund flows involving large whales of late in a pattern that spilled from last year. Connect the dots on these patterns. We start seeing this large whale activities, whales getting in place. Why? Whales are going to set themselves to make the most money when these breakouts happen. They're going to buy low, and then they're going to attempt to sell it when the price starts to rip, y'all. Most people are going to chase those green candles and be the ones giving the whales the profits. When you buy on top of those buys that the whales already had set in, all you're doing is making their gains higher and higher and higher. This is why I want y'all to already be prepared. It's not financial advice. Do whatever is best for you, but at least have this information ready and understand what's about to take place. So Shiba Inu developments and price movements. Meanwhile, the latest movement from Binance comes at a time when Shiba Inu has gained 12.2% in the past 24 hours. The asset has attained the value of 1286 for the first time since January 18th, currently changing hands at the price territory as of press time. So at the current price, the asset has conquered the fierce resistance point at 1286 and is seeking new highs. Sheep Knight, a Shiba Inu analyst, asserted that the asset currently has its eyes set on the next target at 1330, which would serve as a launch pad to the high of 1372. So y'all know we've been talking about these numbers for a while. If you want to actually see the technical analysis behind these predictions, then you got to watch the channel, watch the videos that I've been dropping. We've been breaking this down for y'all. So SHIB's recent rally has been triggered by both market-wide uptrend and several favorable developments within the SHIB community, including persistent burns and an increased adoption rate. FCFPay has disclosed today that SHIB payments with its debit cards hit a new all-time high. Moreover, the hype around Shiba has also attracted investors. So you got to remember, we got Shiba coming as well. That's something that a lot of people are, excited for. And also, like I keep telling y'all, we're speculating on February 14th. If we get it, if it just releases on its own on February 14th, we might see the price slowly climb up to, whatever level it reaches, and then, have a nice little spike at the news of Shiba releasing. But if we get that date to drop beforehand, you're going to see the price start to move. You're gonna see people get excited. People are gonna try to do the buy, the rumor, sell, the news, and get in where they fit in before, you know, things start to move. So just wanted to bring this to y'all firsthand. Again, we got Shiba Inu at that 1246 level. Indicators we broke down in the last video. If you want to see what all this means right here, go watch my last video. But I'm expecting us to have a major breakout on the horizon. We got overall crypto market at 1.09 trillion, down 0.5% in the last 24 hours. Bitcoin at 23,557, Ethereum at 1660, BNB at 331, XRP 40 cent, Cardano 40 cent, Doge 9 cent, Matic 123, Solana 704, Litecoin $99.80, and then we got SHIB again at that 1246 level, holding the 14th place by market cap, y'all. By this next breakout, I wouldn't be surprised if Shiba Inu is teasing that top 10 range. You heard it here first, man. That's all we got for this video. Appreciate y'all for pulling up, and we are